Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the most delicious creamy mushroom sauce. First, let's get those mushrooms ready. You'll want to clean and slice about 8 ounces of your favorite fresh mushrooms. Then, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Sauté the mushrooms until they're beautifully golden brown and have released all their wonderful moisture. This step is crucial for deep flavor. Now that our mushrooms are perfectly browned, it's time to build our flavor base. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 finely minced shallot to the skillet. Cook this mixture until the shallot is beautifully softened and fragrant, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Then, stir in 1 clove of minced garlic and cook for just 30 seconds more, being careful not to burn it. This aromatic foundation is key. With our aromatics fragrant, let's create that luscious creamy texture. First, deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of dry white wine or chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits. Simmer this mixture until the liquid has reduced by about half, which really concentrates all those amazing flavors. Then, stir in 1 cup of rich, heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer. This is where the magic happens. Our creamy mushroom sauce is almost complete. Now, let's add those crucial finishing touches. Season the sauce with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and brightness. Serve this incredible sauce immediately over your favorite pasta, chicken, or steak for a truly delightful and unforgettable meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.